Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, and 19 other celebrities called out for shilling NFTs. Hi guys, my name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim. Welcome to Crypto 101, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show episode 3. And today we got a lot of news to share with you. We're going to look at the market watch. We're going to check the chart analysis. We're going to talk about probably some NFT. And I bet you stick around. I got some news to tell you about some celebrities that have been shilling on some coins or some NFTs. And now they're being called out. Like I told you, we'll be talking about a lot of NFTs and whatsoever on this channel as well. Before I move further, I actually want to thank our subscribers and people that have been viewing our channel. I believe will give you value to you guys, and there's more and more to share for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, I think you should do that now. Subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification button, because whenever I post something nice or we put something on this channel, you'll definitely be able to get it first and get the good information we're sharing on this channel. Without further ado, let's check the market and see what's going on in the market. As usual, like on this channel, we need to always let you know what's going on in the market, so you're going to know if you're safe or if you should trade, if you should not trade, if you should invest, if you should not invest, and stuff like that. So right now, yesterday, Bitcoin was sitting on about 20 whatever billion, 400 something billion, I guess. But today, Bitcoin market cap is on 460 billion. Ethereum is on 16 billion. You understand? Billion. While we have the stable coin on 67 billion, but the volume in the last 24 hours it's not been bad, because we saw a down movement before the market picked up a bit, and we'll get to that when we're analyzing the chart, and we're going to show you if you should still, if you're holding, if you still hold, or if you want to get into market, if it's the right time for you to get into the market, or you need to wait a bit. You understand? Because in trading, patience is key. You need to learn that. So I haven't said that Bitcoin is on 24,036. You understand? It's on 24,000, still trying to push. And I believe we broke down to about 23K. So I think it's just squeezing within that zone. It's what we call ranging. So it's just ranging. And I believe after the ranging, we're going to see a sharp movement downwards to 23K or below, or to 22,850. I think that's what I predicted yesterday. And if you didn't see our second episode, you can tune in, check the description will be down below. You can check our second episode, our first episode as well, because you cannot afford to miss any episode, because we'll be dropping different gems on each episode. So if you missed the previous episode, you can tune in and check it out to see what we discussed on the previous episode. Okay, now let's continue with the market watch. USDC still on 6.4 billion 24-hour volume, but the total market cap is about 53 billion. That's nice. USDC and Theta, they've been doing the most, and like I told you, USDC is a stable coin. Theta is a stable coin as well. It's a dollar. How am I gonna call it? It's a peg to dollar. Do you get what I'm trying to say? One stable coin means $1, something like that. And BNB is sitting on 317.55, and that's about. They're sitting on about 51 billion market cap. You know, it's all about billion when it's crypto. So that's why you need to join the crypto space and become a millionaire. You can even become a billionaire. Like we all say, crypto billionaires are out there, crypto millionaires are out there. you can be part of us. And that is why this channel is very, very important that you subscribe and you join so you can get to know what's going on and be part of the good thing that is happening on this channel. Also, let's go down to Polygon is on 0.947, TRX is on 0.67. Let me go down. I want to show you some coin that are below top 100 in case you're looking for some coin that are a bit lower so you can buy them before they make the big name. So below 100 we have this Gala. I spoke about Gala yesterday. We have 0.06. We have Osmosis sitting at $1, and we have Nexo sitting at 0.96. You know, those are coins below $1. You understand? And with time, they might get a big this if the project is good and the project is 100%. Having said that, the total market cap of the whole crypto as a whole is about what's this? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's about 1.1 trillion, you know. And I remember we're about 2 trillion some months ago. But we all know that market has been falling. The crypto space has been shaking, it's been bleeding for months. But now it's always good. When the market falls, you should be happy because you're getting to buy it at a cheaper rate instead of buying it at a high level. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So, and the volume for the past 24 hours, it's about 85 billion. Do you understand? The Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 38.5%. So I think we can agree that Bitcoin is still the umbrella of all cryptocurrency. You understand? The only thing that is trying to challenge them is the Ethereum, which has been doing probably good for the past few weeks. Do you understand what I'm saying? And now let's look at some NFT. Let's take a look at some NFT that is making waves in the market. Let's take a look at some NFT and see what's going on. Okay. What I'm seeing right here, Bored Ape Yacht is sitting about 76.98. It's been dropping. The volume for the past 24 hours is it has dropped about 5.5%. And when you look at the 7-day charts, all NFT has been dropping. I have some NFT as well, and it's a bubble right now. I know we're still going to have a time where everything's going to settle down, where we're not going to know the one that's going to stay in the market and the one that won't be able to meet up with the project or whatever they're doing. But I have some NFT, not financial advice though, but I believe you can get some and do your own research before you put your money on any NFT, or you subscribe to our channel where we'll be showing you good project that you should put your money on. I bet you won't regret that. We have CryptoPunk sitting at number 4, and it's 68.5 ETH. We have Mutant APR sitting at 13.0 ETH. We have Azuki. Yeah, Azuki. We have Azuki sitting at 6.3 ETH. We have lots more of NFTs. You can check them out. You can check them out, or you put a comment down below if you want me to check some NFTs or what NFT is good for you to put your money on. We'll do that on this channel because this channel is all about giving value back to you guys, our viewers, subscribers, and to the community at large. All right, I haven't said that. I think that's what I have to share with you guys on the market watch. Now let's talk about some news. Wow, let's talk about some news that's been making the news kinda. So right now, first thing I'm going to share with you: Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, and 19 other celebrities called out for shilling NFTs. And This is what I say. There are a lot of things going on in the crypto space where I feel like a lot of people need to be educated. A lot of people need to understand that it is not just you watching or listening to somebody and believe, oh, he just bought these, he made a couple of millions, I want to go inside. You don't know what's been going on. Now they've been investigated and found that they don't even have a real connection with the project they've been shilling. You got what I'm trying to say? When you talk about shilling, it means what they've been talking about, probably what they've been telling people about. You get what I'm trying to say? So you need to do your own research. You need to make sure you subscribe to a channel like this, where we're going to be scrutinizing each and everything we are bringing to you, so you know that, oh, whatever you're getting on this channel, it's going to be a good information, first class information, because I'm a native trader, and since I've been trading, I found out that there's a lot of misinformation out there, a lot. And for you not to be misinformed, that's why you need to join a channel like this, where you get good information, first class information, and I bet you won't regret that. Another news is making the headline. Bitcoin price correct after hitting a wall at multi-month descending trend line. I said it, Bitcoin, like on my previous video, Bitcoin is failing to break 25,500, and for that reason I feel like the cycle, because there's a pattern I use to trade, which I'm still going to drop that. Let's see how the channel grows. I have a lot to give to you guys, so you need to tell a friend about this channel. You understand? Because this is Crypto Bean 101, and the name of this show is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, and this is where we trade it and we don't gamble it. No, crypto is not gambling. No, don't tell me that. Crypto is not gambling. When you don't know what you're doing, you can say it's gambling. But when you have enough information, you have the best analysis, a lot of things combined together, now you can make the rightful decision. You understand? And now you know you're not gambling. But if you don't have enough information and you don't have enough knowledge about what you're doing, yes, I can call it gambling. You get what I'm trying to say? But what I'm trying to say, crypto is not gambling. You just need to have the knowledge, and a lot of things follow. We should be dropping a lot of things about that on this channel as well. Another news is making the headline. Celsius Network Coin report shows a balance gap of 2.8 billion. I knew this was going to happen because Celsius as a project, they're failing to do what they suppose what the project is made for. Do you get what I'm trying to say? You see, part of what I'm saying, that you need to do your own research before you invest on it. Now they're claiming bankruptcy and all of that, you understand? And what about people that put their money on it? The money is gone. You get what I'm trying to say? That's why in crypto space there's a lot of things, there's a lot of noise. For you to calm the noise down, you need a good channel, a good mentor, or a good show like this that will educate you, that will pass information to you, and you understand what is really going on in the market. Also, let's check another news is making, oh wow, Brazil broker giant with 3.6 million client launches BTC and ETH trading. Wow, that's a good news for crypto world, because if a broker giant now launch BTC and ETH trading on the platform, that means we're growing. And I believe in crypto. I believe so much in crypto. Crypto is the future, but it's just that some regulations are still going to come in. Some projects are still going to fall off the rail and stuff like that in the nearest future. So we just need to stick around and be informed daily. That's why this show is going to be coming out for you guys every day, so you can have the best information and what to do in the world of crypto. Also, another news that's making headline today is crypto lender Hoodland applies for creditor protection in Singapore. I think I love that, because you need to have some sort of protection for your creditors and stuff like that. They're patronizing the company. Also, we have another news making headline, which is CryptoPunk. Okay, CryptoPunk's TV show. Wow. Okay, that's nice. CryptoPunk is a good NFT. So far, it's been doing well, but now, for the fact that they're all dropping doesn't mean it's not a good project. Like I said, we're still in an early stage. We're still in an early stage of NFT. So they see a lot of noise. Very soon everything is going to calm down. Some project will fall off. Then we're going to see the real project that can withstand and they can give us, what will I call it, returns on our investment. Another news that is making headline is crypto lender. Oh, they're still talking about Celsius. Like I said, they run out of cash, and that's that. Another news is SEC target Binance BNB ICO for potential violations. Wow, that's huge, because SEC has been battling with XPR, like we all know. They've been going back and forth on the case and stuff like that. We're going to drop a video regarding that on this channel as well. And now SEC targets Binance BNB ICO for potential violation. You understand? So we're going to see what all that is all about in the nearest future. We're going to bring the news to your ears. Another news is making the headline is Ethereum slump 5% as Meg search flatters. But you see, sometimes this news, I feel like it's just to confuse you. That's the truth. Because take for instance, why is it that whenever there is a news is when something happens to the market? Do you get my point? It can't be the same all the time. The truth is, the news, which is the fundamental and stuff like that, we're still going to check some fundamentals out, talking about the real news in the economy to see how the economy is moving, if it's contrasting, if it's expanding, if the inflation is going high or if it's dropping, if the interest rate is increasing or decreasing. But I feel like Ethereum has been gaining some kind of momentum for the past days or week. So I believe the pullback is paramount. So the news saying it's slump because of merger stuff like that, I don't think that's true. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a native trader. The chart tells me what's going on in the market. Yes, I follow fundamentals just to know what's going on in the economy, but I'll bet you sometimes the news is just to mess with your brain. And if you're a good trader or you've been in the game for some time, you know that sometimes news is just to derail you from whatever that has been going on. So far so good. I think that's what we have on the news. And okay, there's this one to making the headline. Is Solana really decentralized? You understand? That's another thing. And Solana is doing well some months ago before the whole thing dropped down. I have some Solanas as well because I keep some because I believe it's going to do well in the next future. And they've got their own NFTs too. When you go to solanaart.com, you're going to see their NFTs. They've got some cool NFT you can grab if you're interested in NFT. Not financial advice anyway. I'm just trying to let you know this is what I do, and that's how I've been making some, go-ups in the past month. So that's on the market watch. Let's check out some fundamental news that will be coming up this week or today, so we can prepare ourselves or know what trade or what currency or whatever we'll be putting our money on if you're the fundamental type. So on the fundamental news today, today's Tuesday, August 16. We're going to be expecting the CPI for CAD to come up later today. We're going to be seeing official cash rates, RBC monetary policy, RBNZ rate statement, and we're going to be having some press conference, and that will be later today. You can watch out for that and get yourself prepared for the news. And we have some other fundamental news that will be coming up during the week. And if you missed that, you can check our previous video where we break down the fundamental news from Monday till Friday. All right, guys, thanks for staying with me. Now, I think that's that on fundamental. It's just for us to know what is going to happen in the market. Like, We're going to have the CPMI. We're going to have the wage price index. These are things that control, these are tools they use to control the economy, you understand, to make sure everything balanced and the economy is in good shape. So without further ado, I think that's what I have on the market watch and the news. Let's see what's happening in the chart. Let's get close to the chart and try to discuss the possible of what's going to be going on in the market later today or during the week. So if I can switch to my screen right now and show you what's going on in the market. Sorry, my laptop is freezing. Let me reload. Maybe it's the network. I'm trying to reload for you guys. Hold on. Okay, I think we're good to go. We're checking BTC USD. Let's take a look at BTC USD. Where's my laptop? Excuse me. BTC. Subscribe, like, and share, and put on the notification bell so you can get the best of the best content from this channel as soon as we upload any videos. So I'm just trying to get my laptop working nice so we can have a good analysis about what's going on in the market. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think that's solid. When you look at the chart right now, we're still at the range. You can see if I draw the trend line like this on a lower time frame, you see we're still at the range of Bitcoin just squeezing to break into the 23K level confidently, and I believe once we get there, we're going to go below 23K, and I forecast the market should dip down to about 22,850 or more, because I feel like the cycle for this movement is completed. So we just need to see a reversal or a correction to where we have some other blogs and stuff like that before we can talk about the market switching up. And that reminds me, I want to tell you guys, tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel, because something special is going to happen on this channel very soon. Very, very soon. As soon as we hit enough subscribers, enough followers, I have what I'll be dropping on this show every day for you to be making cool cash. Not financial advice everywhere, but I'm just trying to say I will be showing you what is going to be making you some cash, cool cash, and you don't need a lot to start. With $10, I think you're good to go. But mind me, I know you want to do more better than that. So let's go back to the chart and see what's going on in the chart. So on the lower time frame, we have a structure. We broke the structure. Now we're creating a structure inside a structure. Yes, if you know what trading is all about, you understand. And if you want to learn how to trade, you can go to our website where you can visit Instacash FX Academy, where you can learn how to trade, investment package, and every other thing. It's there. I think we're going to drop the description down below for you guys to go there and check it out. So now we're still waiting for Bitcoin to break this zone, because we're having a squeeze around this place. So we'll be waiting for market to break 23,784, because we tested 23,784 before pulling back to 24,000. So we'll be waiting for it to break this down to 23,000. To break it down to 23,780. Sorry, that's one of my thing. Don't mind me. So we're waiting for that to happen. Then we can have a continuation downward to where I've been predicting, which is 23K down below or 22,850 thereabout. So if you're still in the market, you have a short, keep your short. Don't take profit yet. Even though you're scared or you want to take profit, you can tune into our Let's Trade. It will be dropping later in the day as well for you to get the concept. Excuse me, to get a concept or to understand when to come in or get out of the market. Now let's check Bitcoin on a higher time frame. Bitcoin on a higher time frame. Yeah, you can see clearly on a higher time frame we have a long 4-hour candle, which when you have something like that, you might have a squeeze which is ranging, then we have a continuation downward. So I believe we're going to see that probably today or in few days to come, but I just believe the market is going to dip a little bit more below 23K. So that's that on Bitcoin. Let's check ETH out for people that have been asking me, should they hold their ETH or should they sell their ETH? On a higher time frame, ETH has come to test 190, and I told you it's going to break it. I said it yesterday. I said it's going to break 190, and we're going to see market coming down to 17 or 160, and it's happening already. So you can see why this channel is more valuable to you guys, why you need to subscribe, and why you need to click on the notification button so you can get to understand or you can get to receive the notification when we post something immediately, so you don't do mistake when you're in the market or when you want to take a trade. So I think that's that on ETH. I feel like ETH is still going to pull back a bit, and we're going to do it. For more analysis or for more in-depth about the chart analysis, that will be happening on our segment called Let's Trade. It's still on this channel. So we have a lot of things for you guys that you cannot afford to miss out. So you just need to subscribe, like, share, and tell a friend, share with your friend, because the more the channel grows, the more we'll be dropping gems, and the more it will be easier for you guys to start making cool cash. You get what I mean? I'm a billionaire, by the way. Like I used to say, you'll get to know that very soon. So that's that on ETH. Now, let's check out what's going on in the altcoin space. Let's check what's going on. Let's check either USD. Let's check either USD. Okay, pretty good. That has been moving, breaking a lot of structures, going up, and I feel that there should be a reversal. So I think right now, if you want to invest or you just want to put your money on any coin now, you just need to relax a bit, let this market pull back, because I can see all of them, they have the same kind of structure and they need to pull back. Then after the pullback, you can load your guns, and start shooting. You understand? So that's that on chart analysis. We'll be picking one or two altcoins to be talking about, but the main chart we'll be discussing on this channel is Bitcoin, ETH. Then join with any altcoin of our choice we feel we can bring to you guys. And if you have any other altcoins you want me to talk about or discuss about before the next show, you can put a comment down in the description, or you can put a comment down below. We look at it and we add it to the chart segment, which is the charts analysis segment. Okay, I think that's all I have for you today. But before we go, I would like to make a shout out to our sponsor. Now we got a sponsor. Oh, now shout out to Instacash FX for sponsoring the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, and I believe we're still going to get more sponsors because they can see the value we are bringing to the people and the community at large. And what is Instacash FX all about? Instacash FX is a place where you can sell your crypto, you can buy crypto from them. They have educational package for you, and they have some other coins you can, try to look into if you want to trade, or you want to buy, or you want to get into the crypto space. So shout out to Instacash FX. Peace.